Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username within the Bloodstrike PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bloodstrike game on your device, and after you are logged in and taken into the main menu, if you wish to change your username, simply click on your profile at the top left corner. This will then open up the personal info page where you can tap on the pen icon alongside your current username, which will open up the change name menu as well. You can also tap on your profile image, which will open up the edit info page. From here you can tap on basic information, and now you can set your name as well. Tap on your name and now enter your desired new name within the enter name section. It is important to keep in mind that if you have recently changed your name and 48 hours has not passed, then you will need to use a rename card. And if 48 hours has already passed since you changed your name, then you can change it free of cost. So just type in your desired name and tap on the confirm button, and now your username will be changed right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username within the Bloodstrike PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.